Yeah, we are lucky we made it home on those. Perfect. More money on the trailer.
More money.
More money. All right, we're back into her. Hello, everybody, and today is Groundhog Day. Got a few more things to do to the trailer. If you want to see the wheel come off it, you can watch this video down there. We are, we're back to the trailer here. Remember, guys, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel, as you can be a part of the community, and it's great. All right, let's see what the boys are up to. Oh, there he is. We're following the trailer right in here. We don't need weather stripping or snow to come in the roof or any of that stuff. This thing take a shit kicking on its first trip out.
It did.
Yeah. Better make sure you help him get diesel all over the place.
Who made this so fucking high?
I don't know. Who put that up there so high?
What was the point in bringing this up so high?
Man.
He's out of Schneasel.
You gotta go again here.
In here.
Oh, out comes the liquor again. Can't work on the trailer without liquor, boys.
You can't work on anything without liquor.
That's why we have to do it 2 or 3 times.
Oh my god, this thing's heavy.
Yeah, it's not light.
I don't think my 2-ton jog's gonna do it.
It has before.
It didn't have an arm shredder in it, no?
That's true. You can walk in front of that. You know, that's the whole point of having this cool pickup shots, is you see people's feet moving around, but then you get Grunts who just stops right in the middle of the frame.
Seeing what's happening, you know. Hold on there, big guy.
She's on there.
She's on.
So, Sean, you had those on there, buddy.
Well,
they needed to. So what are we seeing in here? Any rocks? Any weird debris?
grind you here in a minute.
What do we got?
That seal's no good.
But we got a new hub, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a new hub and seal, but you guys might have fucked that seal quick.
Oh yeah, that seal's pooched.
Yeah.
Some brakes full of greasifiers.
Yeah.
Those are brand new. How's the other ones, boys?
I don't know. Should we open one up and find out? Oh, there it is, parts. Oh, you're not just gonna rip the door right open and pull the weather sealing off?
Well, I'm gonna let it warm up.
Hey, Mr. Grizzly Bear. Did the bearings survive?
Oh yeah, I think so. I don't see any marks on the inner.
Supposed to have play in them.
I know. But they feel cheap as fuck.
Oh, they are.
They're just small, man.
Yes, good?
What, seal?
Yeah. Oh, I noticed that. Yeah, I noticed that when we stopped in town there. What a bullet hole that one was. Holy crap. I didn't even bring my magnet down there. Everything you guys told me to bring, I forgot.
I don't know that whatever is hit that is even in there.
It's probably not. But that's a big rock or something. Coming at about 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got all sorts of things we can't use for this thing.
Ah. There's a $1,000 pile of crappy dudes that don't even do anything right there.
And there's a $400, $500 pile of PVC around here too.
Well, that is currently at the dump.
Oh, that's done. Get rid of that shit.
Every time I looked at it, I got mad, so I took it to the dump.
That's a good call. This is a good spare belt, Sean. What are you holding on to this one for?
Move for everybody. My God.
Oh, the big... Oh. What is happening? How many trucks are showing up?
What are you throwing out here?
It's good to see the old Syxxes trailer still out there kicking around.
It's a loaner trailer now.
Yeah, we just lend it out.
made that piece of shit?
Who made that door so heavy?
Fucking hard.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah, and that problem too. That one's a fun problem too. So is there a new cat coming for you or what?
Fucking right there is.
You liked it?
Oh yeah.
That thing's fun, huh? And then that part.
Sooner.
Yeah, I see.
So
We shouldn't
I
hurt
think
anything. Still the same length, fine thread.
we can pull this tire for sure. See how it's going. This side. See how it fits there.
Perfect. More money on the trailer.
More money.
More money. Ben's looking at the bullet hole.
Not here.
It's awesome, eh? This thing took such a shit kick in its first trip
I
out.
have no idea where we got a rock, but somewhere between Revelstoke and Canmore.
Do you have footage of it when it was unhooked at the cabin? 'Cause
I could
fucking
find-
think that son of a bitch with the loader fucking rolled his bucket
No.
into there.
I don't think
Off
so.
the hitch.
Well, maybe he fucking came in or something, moving around and fucking put the corner of his bucket into there.
I can't see a fucking rock doing that.
Just the way it looks like
It hit
something.
the handle too, because this is moving here. This wasn't like
Yeah.
this. Check the fire, child. Make sure we still got heat.
He's gonna.
I mean, that one's deformed real bad because you just pounded it out. Though.
I
Yeah.
thought he's gonna be torquing and it was gonna get soft. I'm like, oh, here we go.
Yeah, we are lucky we made it home on those. Those are cool looking
I
studs.
got enough fucking shit for certain tires.
I'm surprised that got us home.
Well, there's still quite like most of the meat is actually still there, but
Well, I just mean even getting a nut on.
yeah. Yeah, you can see where they were.
Oh yeah, riding there for a little bit.
So, like, look at all the corrosion here. That's kind of what I'm thinking was the issue.
Probably.
I'm guessing they went tight but weren't tight.
That's what I think,
There's
yeah.
one more beer left?
Better have it.
All right, YouTubers. Let's hear how I'm doing this wrong.
Oh yeah, you can't do anything without doing it wrong. None of us can.
Oh,
Everything we do is wrong.
idiots.
Just a bunch of dummies. Right, Grunts?
Absolutely, you are a bunch of dummies.
Oh, Grunts, I'm too short. Fix the hole I left in the trailer. There you go, you're a good guy. I don't care what these guys say about you.
Well, they all say something.
Oh, yes, they do.
Sean doesn't even know how to shut up.
He's pretty quiet. He's just down there getting it done, actually.
Oh, Jesus.
Get the dirt out of that thing? No, you didn't.
I wiped off.
Oh my god, I got compressed air, man. Blow the fucking pins out.
Go make sure he's happy. One of these days we'll get to ride. Don't do that.
Let's see this seal blow out the backside.
Kaboo!
Hopefully that seal didn't finish.
I was wondering after how much grease it was taking. Like, oh, hopefully we're not gonna have a repeat here. Stop! Hammer time! Oh, that's not hammer time, barely. It's a swimming pool.
Let's see when Yagadaga in here.
Careful with the Yagadagas. That's my ratchet. All my shit is still everywhere from that little disaster.
There you go, Rackage.
Okay, I'll take that back. Thank
You
you.
sock shit.
I'll take that back as well.
Happy or more?
There's a puddle here, fella.
You guys might as well have as much fun on the second trip as we had on the first.
Yes. We need to do a repeat.
We can skip that part.
Sean's the man here today. Good job, Sean. That looked like we're good. What's the problem? Just different nuts?
No.
Does it not reach?
No.
Oh, you got to put it on the right way.
No, that happens.
All right, we're gonna end this video there. Thanks everybody for joining us. Even though the energy was low today, we're just trying to get that trailer to a point where we don't have to wrench on it every time, which ironically we didn't have to do with the last trailer. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like this video because it helps a ton. Bye everybody.